Introducing 2020 Vision from Jamaica Health Box. These capsules are crafted to naturally support your eye health, providing essential nutrients for clear and vibrant vision. A natural solution rooted in Jamaican tradition. What are the benefits? Firstly, powerful antioxidants help protect your eyes from damaging free radicals. Secondly, these capsules support macular health, crucial for central vision. And thirdly, they may reduce eye strain, especially important in our digital age. What makes 2020 Vision unique? It's the blend of natural herbs. Bilberry, known for its antioxidant properties. Lutein, vital for macular pigment. Zeaxanthin, another key carotenoid. And vitamin A, essential for overall eye function. All working synergistically. Why choose 2020 Vision? Because it's a natural approach to eye health, gentle yet effective, rooted in the wisdom of Jamaican herbal traditions, supporting your vision the way nature intended, with fewer side effects than harsh chemicals. Ready to support your eye health naturally? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to order your 2020 Vision capsules, or call us at 1-929-314-0106. See the world more clearly, naturally, with Jamaica Health Box. Are your eyes feeling strained? Blurry? Introducing 2020 Vision Eye Drops from Jamaica Health Box, a natural solution crafted to support and maintain healthy vision. Experience the world with renewed clarity. Scientific studies show that specific herbs can significantly benefit eye health. Antioxidants protect against damage, anti-inflammatories reduce irritation, and nutrients nourish vital eye tissues. These drops offer a natural, holistic approach to vision support. Our formula features potent Jamaican herbs. Eyebright, known for centuries, reduces inflammation. Comfrey promotes tissue repair, and rosemary provides powerful antioxidant protection. Together, these herbs work synergistically to support optimal eye health. Why choose natural? Our eye drops are free from harsh chemicals and artificial preservatives. They offer a gentle yet effective way to support your vision, working with your body's natural healing processes. Experience the difference nature can make. Ready to rediscover clear vision? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to order your 2020 Vision Eye Drops, or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace natural support for your eyes and see the world with renewed clarity and vibrancy. Introducing 360 Old People Remedy, a complete vitality and wellness formula crafted with time-honored Jamaican herbs. This natural remedy is designed to support the unique health needs of older adults, helping them thrive and enjoy an active, fulfilling life. 360 offers several scientifically backed health benefits. It bolsters the immune system, helping to defend against illness. It supports joint health, promoting flexibility and mobility. And it aids cognitive function, helping to maintain mental clarity and focus. This powerful formula contains key ingredients like guinea hen weed, known for its immune-boosting properties, sarsaparilla, traditionally used to support joint health and detoxification, and cheney root, valued for its overall revitalizing effects. Why choose 360? Because it offers a natural, holistic approach to wellness, rooted in the rich herbal tradition of Jamaica. It's a gentle yet effective way to support your health as you age, promoting vitality from within. Ready to experience the benefits of 360? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call 1-929-314-0106 to order yours. Embrace natural wellness with the power of Jamaican herbs. 360, your complete vitality formula.
Ag7 Women Hormone Balance, a natural Jamaican herbal formula crafted to gently restore your body's equilibrium. Hormonal balance is crucial for a woman's well-being, influencing everything from mood and energy to reproductive health. Ag7 offers a natural path to harmony. Ag7 offers several key benefits. First, it supports a balanced mood, reducing irritability and promoting emotional stability. Second, it helps regulate energy levels, combating fatigue and promoting vitality. Finally, Ag7 aids in maintaining healthy reproductive function, easing discomfort associated with menstruation and menopause. Ag7's power lies in its carefully selected Jamaican herbs. Vitex, or chasteberry, is known for its hormone-balancing properties. Dong Quai supports healthy blood flow and reduces menstrual discomfort. Black cohosh helps alleviate menopausal symptoms. Damiana acts as a natural mood enhancer and energy booster. Why choose Ag7? It's a natural alternative to synthetic hormones, offering a gentle and holistic approach. Ag7 works with your body, not against it, minimizing the risk of harsh side effects. Embrace the power of nature for lasting well-being. Ready to experience the benefits of balanced hormones? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your Ag7 Women Hormone Balance, or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Take control of your health naturally.
What's actually inside ART Arthritis Relief Formula, and how does it address joint pain at the source? Let's break it down. Arthritis is not just joint pain, it's inflammation, chronic, systemic, and progressive. When inflammation is left unchecked, it erodes cartilage, damages joint tissue, and limits your movement permanently. The standard medical approach is to mask the pain. ART takes a different approach, reducing inflammation from the inside out and rebuilding the tissue that chronic inflammation has damaged. Turmeric, curcumin, the most studied natural anti-inflammatory compound in the world. Curcumin inhibits NF-κB, the master switch that activates inflammatory gene expression in your cells. When NF-κB is blocked, the cascade of inflammatory chemicals, including prostaglandins and cytokines, is reduced at the source. Multiple clinical trials show curcumin is as effective as ibuprofen for reducing arthritis pain without the gastrointestinal damage that NSAIDs cause with long-term use. Curcumin also suppresses the destruction of cartilage by blocking the enzymes MMP3 and MMP9 that break down joint tissue. This means it doesn't just reduce pain, it slows joint deterioration. Boswellia, frankincense, an ancient resin from the boswellia tree used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. Boswellia contains boswellic acids, specifically AKBA, that block 5-lipoxygenase, an enzyme that produces leukotrienes. Leukotrienes are inflammatory compounds particularly destructive to joint cartilage. By blocking leukotriene production, Boswellia reduces joint swelling, improves joint mobility, and decreases pain without the side effects of pharmaceutical COX-2 inhibitors. Clinical studies show Boswellia significantly improves pain and physical function in knee osteoarthritis within 4 to 8 weeks. Devil's Claw, a South African plant with one of the most impressive clinical records for arthritis of any herbal medicine. Devil's Claw contains harpagoside, an iridoid glycoside with powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It inhibits COX-2 and LOX enzymes, the same pathways targeted by many pharmaceutical pain medications. Multiple European clinical trials have shown Devil's Claw reduces joint pain, stiffness, and improves mobility in people with osteoarthritis of the hip and knee. The difference from pharmaceutical COX-2 inhibitors, Devil's Claw does not damage the stomach lining or increase cardiovascular risk. Ginger root, a kitchen spice and serious medicine. Ginger contains gingerols and showgirls, compounds with documented anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. Like Devil's Claw, ginger inhibits both COX and LOX enzymes. Studies show ginger extract reduces knee pain in osteoarthritis patients and reduces the inflammatory marker CRP in rheumatoid arthritis. It also improves blood flow to joints, delivering nutrients and reducing stiffness. White willow bark, nature's aspirin, and where aspirin was originally derived. White willow bark contains salicin, which your body converts to salicylic acid. It reduces pain and fever through the same general mechanism as aspirin, but in a form that is gentler on the stomach. It's been used for pain relief for over 3,000 years across multiple cultures. Nettle leaf, the inflammation interceptor.
Stinging nettle inhibits several inflammatory cytokines, including TNF-alpha and interleukin-1 beta, both of which are elevated in rheumatoid arthritis. It also contains boron, silicon, and other minerals that support cartilage and bone density. These ingredients work on multiple inflammatory pathways simultaneously. Turmeric blocks the NF-κB master switch. Boswellia stops leukotriene production. Devil's claw and ginger inhibit COX and LOX enzymes. White willow provides direct pain relief. Nettle blocks cytokine-driven inflammation.
This is not pain management. This is inflammation resolution. When inflammation goes down, pain follows. When inflammation is consistently managed, joint damage slows. ART Arthritis Relief Formula, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
Are you seeking a natural way to support healthy joints, radiant skin, and strong nails? Introducing Jamaica Health Box Bamboo Capsules, a potent source of natural silica derived from the finest Jamaican bamboo. Silica, a naturally occurring compound, is vital for collagen production. Studies show it supports joint flexibility and reduces discomfort. Silica also enhances skin elasticity, minimizing wrinkles and promoting a youthful glow. And it's critical for strong, healthy nails, preventing brittleness and breakage. Our bamboo capsules feature pure Jamaican bamboo extract. Bamboo is exceptionally rich in silica, far surpassing other sources. This concentrated silica works synergistically within your body to nourish and revitalize from the inside out. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? We source only the highest quality Jamaican bamboo, ensuring a potent and pure product. Our capsules are carefully crafted to preserve the integrity of the silica, providing you with maximum benefit. Experience the difference of natural, authentic Jamaican herbal solutions. Ready to experience the natural power of Jamaican bamboo? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to order your bamboo capsules and start your journey to healthier joints, radiant skin, and stronger nails. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Your health naturally supported.
Discover the cleansing power of Jamaica Health Box's bamboo charcoal powder, a natural solution crafted to gently detoxify and revitalize your body. But what makes this ancient remedy so effective? Activated bamboo charcoal is renowned for its ability to absorb toxins and impurities. Studies suggest it can help alleviate bloating and gas. It can also support kidney function by reducing the workload on these vital organs. Finally, some evidence indicates it may contribute to lower cholesterol levels. Our formula features pure activated bamboo charcoal sourced from sustainable Jamaican bamboo. We also include a hint of ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to soothe the digestive system. Jamaica Health Box offers a natural, sustainably sourced solution. Our bamboo charcoal powder is carefully crafted in small batches to ensure purity and potency. We prioritize your health and well-being above all else, providing a safe and effective way to detoxify your body. Ready to experience the natural cleansing power of Jamaica Health Box's bamboo charcoal powder? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to learn more and begin your journey to a healthier you.
Bissivera Tonic, a masterfully crafted Jamaican wellness formula. It's a natural tonic designed to revitalize and support your body's inherent ability to heal. For generations, Jamaicans have turned to the earth for wellness. Now, you can too. So, what can Bissivera do for you? Research suggests its potent blend offers several benefits. First, powerful antioxidants combat free radicals. Second, it bolsters your immune system. And third, it aids in reducing inflammation. These benefits are supported by both modern science and centuries of traditional Jamaican herbal medicine. The secret lies in its carefully selected ingredients. Bisu, known for its cleansing properties, Vera for its soothing effects, and other potent Jamaican herbs, each playing a vital role in this synergetic blend. Together, these ingredients create a tonic that is greater than the sum of its parts. Why choose Bissivera? Because it's a natural alternative, a time-tested formula, a holistic approach to wellness. In a world of synthetic solutions, Bissivera offers the pure, unadulterated power of Jamaican herbs. Ready to experience the power of Bissivera Tonic? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call 1-929-314-0106. Embrace the Jamaican tradition of natural wellness. Your journey to a healthier you starts today.
Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Blood Purifier, a natural tonic designed to gently cleanse and detoxify your blood. This carefully crafted blend of traditional Jamaican herbs supports your body's natural purification processes, promoting overall well-being. What are the benefits? This tonic supports a healthy immune system by removing toxins that can compromise your defenses. It promotes clearer, healthier skin by eliminating impurities that contribute to blemishes. And it boosts energy levels by improving circulation and nutrient delivery throughout your body. The secret lies in the herbs. Sarsaparilla, known for its blood-cleansing properties. Cheney root, traditionally used to support liver function. Guaco bush, which aids in removing toxins. And strongback, providing vital nutrients. Why choose a natural blood purifier? Unlike harsh chemical alternatives, this tonic works gently with your body's natural processes. It supports holistic health, addressing the root causes of imbalances rather than just masking symptoms. It's a natural way to support your well-being. Ready to experience the benefits of a naturally cleansed system? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to order your blood purifier and discover our full range of Jamaican herbal solutions. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace the power of nature. Embrace Jamaica Health Box. Are you seeking a natural way to manage your blood sugar and blood pressure? Jamaica Health Box presents Blood Sugar and Blood Pressure Normalizer Tea, a carefully crafted blend of traditional Jamaican herbs designed to support your well-being. This tea is more than just a beverage. It's a step towards a healthier you. Scientific studies suggest that certain herbs can significantly impact blood sugar and blood pressure. Firstly, they may help improve insulin sensitivity. Secondly, they can act as natural diuretics, reducing fluid retention and blood pressure. Finally, certain herbs possess antioxidant properties, protecting blood vessels from damage. Our tea features several powerful ingredients. Cerasee, known for its bitter taste, is traditionally used to help regulate blood sugar. Soursop leaves are rich in antioxidants and may help lower blood pressure. Guinea henweed is another key ingredient, traditionally used for its anti-inflammatory and blood-cleansing properties. These herbs work synergistically to promote balance. Why choose a natural product? Many seek alternatives to conventional treatments, hoping to minimize side effects and embrace a more holistic approach. Our tea offers a gentle, natural way to support your body's own regulatory mechanisms. It's about working with your body, not against it. Ready to experience the natural benefits of Jamaica Health Box Blood Sugar and Blood Pressure Normalizer Tea? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Take the first step towards a healthier, more balanced you, naturally. Introducing C1 Cancer Prevent and Treat from Jamaica Health Box. A powerful blend of Jamaican herbs meticulously formulated to support your body's natural defenses and promote overall well-being. This is not a cure, but a powerful aid. Science reveals the power within.
C1 provides robust immune support, helping your body fight off threats. Its potent antioxidants combat free radicals, protecting cells from damage. And it promotes a healthy inflammatory response, crucial for overall health. C1's strength lies in its ingredients. Guinea hen weed, known for its immune-boosting properties. Graviola, a potent antioxidant. And turmeric, offering powerful anti-inflammatory support. Each herb plays a vital role. Why C1? It's more than just a supplement. It's a holistic approach to well-being, rooted in traditional Jamaican herbal knowledge. Sourced with care, crafted with precision, C1 offers natural support you can trust. Experience the Jamaican difference. Ready to support your body's natural defenses? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to learn more. Take control of your health naturally.
Introducing Circulation Tonic from Jamaica Health Box. This natural tonic is designed to support healthy blood circulation, a vital function for overall well-being. Proper circulation ensures that every cell in your body receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs to thrive. Poor circulation can manifest in various ways, from fatigue to discomfort. Circulation Tonic offers several key benefits. First, it can boost energy levels by improving oxygen delivery to tissues. Second, it may help reduce swelling in the legs and ankles. Third, it can support healthy blood pressure levels. Fourth, it can sharpen mental clarity by ensuring the brain receives adequate oxygen. Circulation Tonic harnesses the power of traditional Jamaican herbs. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, helps improve blood flow. Sarsaparilla acts as a blood purifier and detoxifier. Cerasee supports healthy blood sugar levels, important for cardiovascular health. Guinea hen weed is revered for its immune-boosting and circulatory benefits. In a world of synthetic solutions, Circulation Tonic offers a natural alternative. Made with time-tested Jamaican herbs, it gently supports your body's natural processes without harsh chemicals or artificial additives. It's a holistic approach to well-being, rooted in the wisdom of nature. Ready to experience the benefits of improved circulation? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com to learn more about Circulation Tonic and our other natural health solutions. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Take control of your health, naturally, with Jamaica Health Box.
What is CKLS50 and what does it do for each of the 4 organs it targets? Let's break it down. Colon, kidneys, liver, spleen. Most supplements target one system. CKLS50 targets 4 simultaneously, the 4 organs at the center of your body's internal detoxification and immune system. When these 4 organs are clean and functional, your entire body performs differently. When they're congested, you feel it everywhere. Let's go organ by organ. The colon. Your colon is the final stage of digestion and the primary route for waste elimination. When the colon is sluggish or compacted, toxins sit in contact with your gut wall, and some get reabsorbed. CKLS50 supports colon health with a combination of natural fibers and botanicals. Cascara sabrata gently stimulates the colon muscles to move waste through. Psyllium husk adds fiber bulk, softening stool and feeding beneficial bacteria. Slippery elm soothes the colon wall, reducing inflammation and supporting tissue integrity. A clean colon means toxins exit the body instead of recirculating. The kidneys. Your kidneys filter over 200 liters of blood every day. They remove metabolic waste, regulate electrolyte balance, control blood pressure, and produce hormones. When the kidneys are under stress, from dehydration, high-protein diets, medications, or environmental toxins, their filtration capacity drops. Uva ursi leaf supports kidney and urinary tract health by reducing bacterial load and supporting kidney tubule function. Dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output to flush metabolic waste without depleting potassium. Juniper berry supports kidney filtration and has antiseptic properties that protect the urinary tract. Clean kidneys mean cleaner blood, less metabolic waste in circulation. The liver. Your liver is your primary detox organ. It processes everything: nutrients, hormones, medications, alcohol, environmental chemicals. Milk thistle seed protects liver cells with silymarin, blocking toxins from entering and accelerating regeneration of damaged tissue. Burdock root supports the lymphatic system, reducing the load of toxins the liver must process. Yellow dock root stimulates bile flow, carrying processed toxins out of the liver and into the colon for excretion. A functioning liver means your blood is continuously cleaned and your hormones are properly metabolized. The spleen. The spleen is the organ most people forget. It filters old and damaged red blood cells from the blood. It stores white blood cells and platelets, releasing them when your immune system is activated. It's central to lymphatic drainage and immune surveillance. When the spleen is congested, immune function is compromised. Echinacea supports white blood cell production and immune activation, directly supporting the spleen's immune role. Astragalus root is an adaptogenic herb that strengthens the spleen's immune function and supports the production of healthy blood cells. A healthy spleen means faster immune response and cleaner blood at the cellular level. Together, CKLS50 creates a complete internal environment reset. The colon clears the elimination pathway. The kidneys filter the blood. The liver processes and neutralizes toxins. The spleen maintains immune surveillance. When all four are working together, your body does what it was designed to do: heal itself. This is not a single organ supplement. This is a complete internal detox system. CKLS50, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
From the heart of Jamaica, where sunshine kisses the land, comes a treasure: Jamaica Health Box's pure, cold-pressed coconut oil. A gift from nature, meticulously crafted for your well-being. Its primary purpose? To nourish and revitalize, naturally. Science reveals coconut oil's remarkable properties. First, it supports heart health by promoting healthy cholesterol levels. Second, it boosts your immune system with its potent antiviral and antibacterial properties. Finally, it aids in healthy weight management by supporting a faster metabolism. Our cold-pressed coconut oil contains just one ingredient: pure, unadulterated coconut oil, extracted from the finest Jamaican coconuts. This simple yet powerful oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, offering a natural source of energy and promoting overall wellness. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? Our coconut oil is cold-pressed, preserving its vital nutrients. It's sourced directly from Jamaican farms, ensuring unparalleled quality and authenticity. We believe in natural solutions, crafted with care for your well-being. Experience the difference purity makes. Ready to embrace the natural power of Jamaican coconut oil? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Unlock a healthier, more vibrant you, the Jamaican way. Your journey to natural wellness starts now.
Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Colon Cleanser, your natural solution for gentle cleansing and optimal digestive health. Crafted with time-honored Jamaican herbs, it's designed to support your body's natural detoxification processes and promote overall well-being. Why cleanse? A healthy colon is vital. Our colon cleanser supports improved digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort. It aids nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most from your food. And it can boost energy levels by eliminating waste and toxins that weigh you down. Our formula features senna leaf, a natural laxative, Cascara sagrada for gentle bowel stimulation, aloe vera, known for its soothing properties, and ginger to ease digestion and reduce inflammation. Each ingredient works synergistically to support a healthy and balanced gut. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? Our colon cleanser is a gentle yet effective formula crafted with authentic Jamaican herbs. We prioritize natural ingredients and traditional knowledge, offering a safe and supportive path to digestive wellness without harsh chemicals or artificial additives. Trust in nature. Trust in Jamaica Health Box. Ready to experience the benefits of a healthy colon?
Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your colon cleanser. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Take control of your digestive health naturally with Jamaica Health Box.
Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Daily Box, your daily companion for natural wellness. This carefully curated bundle provides essential nutrients and herbal support to help you thrive. It's designed to promote overall health and vitality naturally. The Daily Box offers several key benefits. First, it supports a healthy immune system. Second, it helps boost energy levels naturally. Third, it aids in digestion and promotes gut health. These benefits stem from the powerful combination of Jamaican herbs and nutrients. What makes the Daily Box so effective? It starts with Jamaican sarsaparilla, known for its cleansing properties. Next, guinea hen weed, traditionally used to support immune function. Finally, ginger, a powerful digestive aid and anti-inflammatory. These are just a few of the carefully selected ingredients. Why choose the Daily Box? It's a natural, holistic approach to wellness, rooted in traditional Jamaican herbal medicine. Unlike synthetic supplements, the Daily Box harnesses the power of nature to support your body's natural functions. It's a gift from the island to you. Ready to experience the natural wellness of the Daily Box? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a wellness expert. Invest in your health naturally. Introducing Jamaica Health Box Dandelion Extract, a natural solution crafted to gently support your liver's detoxification processes and promote healthy digestion. It's a time-honored remedy, now conveniently available. Science reveals Dandelion Extract's remarkable benefits. First, it supports healthy liver function by promoting bile production, aiding in toxin removal. Second, it acts as a gentle digestive aid, easing bloating and promoting regularity. Finally, it's packed with antioxidants, combating free radicals and supporting overall well-being. The star of this extract is, of course, dandelion. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, it acts as a natural diuretic, helping flush out excess fluids. Its bitter compounds stimulate digestion, while its antioxidants protect against cellular damage. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? We source our dandelions from the lush, fertile soils of Jamaica, ensuring purity and potency. Our extract is carefully crafted to preserve its natural goodness, offering a holistic approach to well-being. It's nature's wisdom, bottled for your health. Ready to experience the benefits of dandelion extract? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a health specialist. Embrace the power of Jamaican herbs and unlock your body's natural potential.
From the heart of Jamaica comes Danswer Herbal Tincture, an all-natural, all-purpose remedy. This powerful tincture, crafted with time-honored traditions, offers a holistic approach to well-being, supporting your body's natural ability to heal. Danswer offers remarkable benefits. First, it supports a healthy immune system, helping your body defend against illness. Second, its anti-inflammatory properties soothe discomfort and promote healing. And third, it aids digestion, ensuring optimal nutrient absorption and gut health. Danswer's potent formula includes sarsaparilla, known for its blood-purifying properties, ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory, turmeric, celebrated for its antioxidant effects, and guinea hen weed, traditionally used for pain relief and immune support. Together, they provide a synergistic healing effect. Why choose Danswer?
because it's a natural alternative, free from harsh chemicals and synthetic additives. Danswer works in harmony with your body, promoting holistic healing with unwanted side effects. Embrace the power of nature, the Jamaican way. Ready to experience the healing power of Danswer? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call 1-929-314-0106 to order yours today. Unlock your body's potential with Danswer, the all-heal from Jamaica.
Are you or a loved one experiencing early signs of cognitive decline? The Jamaica Health Box for early-stage dementia is a carefully curated bundle of natural Jamaican herbs designed to support brain health and cognitive function. This holistic approach aims to nurture memory, focus, and overall well-being. This blend offers several key benefits. First, enhanced memory recall, supporting the retrieval of important information. Second, improved focus and concentration, aiding in daily tasks. Third, neuroprotection, helping to safeguard brain cells from damage and decline. These benefits are supported by traditional knowledge and emerging scientific research. Key ingredients include ginkgo biloba, known for its ability to improve blood flow to the brain; gotu kola, traditionally used to enhance cognitive function; rosemary, which may improve memory and concentration; and turmeric, containing curcumin, a powerful antioxidant with neuroprotective properties. Why choose the Jamaica Health Box? It offers a natural, holistic approach to cognitive support. Harnessing the power of traditional Jamaican remedies, this thoughtfully formulated blend provides a gentle yet effective way to nurture your brain health. Embrace the wisdom of nature and support your cognitive well-being. Ready to take control of your cognitive health? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com to learn more and order your early-stage dementia box today. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Invest in your brain health naturally. Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Diabetes Box, a natural approach to support healthy blood sugar. This carefully curated bundle combines traditional Jamaican herbs known for their potent benefits. The Diabetes Box offers multiple benefits. First, it promotes healthy glucose metabolism. Second, it helps to maintain healthy insulin sensitivity. Third, it supports overall well-being with its antioxidant properties. Key ingredients include cerasee, known for its blood sugar regulating properties. Guinea hen weed supports immune function. And bitter melon aids in healthy glucose control. Why choose the Diabetes Box? It's a natural, holistic approach crafted from generations of Jamaican herbal wisdom. It's a gentle yet effective way to support your health journey. Embrace the power of nature. Ready to take control of your health naturally? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call 1-929-314-0106 to learn more and order your diabetes box today. Your well-being awaits. Introducing Energy Sip the Healer, your natural source of sustained energy and holistic healing. This unique formula harnesses the power of Jamaica's most potent herbs to revitalize your body and mind. Energy Sip the Healer offers multiple benefits. First, it provides sustained energy without the jitters of caffeine. Second, it bolsters your immune system, helping you stay healthy. Third, its anti-inflammatory properties aid in recovery and overall wellness. The secret lies in the herbs. Sarsaparilla, known for its cleansing properties, helps detoxify the blood. Ginger, a potent anti-inflammatory, soothes and heals. And moringa, packed with vitamins and minerals, provides essential nutrients. Why choose Energy Sip the Healer? Because it's natural, effective, and holistic.
Unlike synthetic energy drinks, it nourishes your body with the Earth's gifts, promoting long-term health and vitality. Ready to experience the difference? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com to order your Energy Sip the Healer today, or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Unlock your natural energy and embrace the healing power of Jamaica. Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Eye Box, your all-natural solution for maintaining optimal eye health. This carefully curated bundle provides essential nutrients and herbal extracts to support clear vision and protect against age-related eye concerns. Experience the power of Jamaican botanicals naturally. The Eye Box offers a multitude of benefits backed by scientific research. Firstly, it provides powerful antioxidant protection against free radical damage, a major contributor to age-related eye issues. Secondly, key ingredients support macular health, crucial for sharp central vision. Thirdly, it aids in reducing eye strain and fatigue, particularly important in our digital age. Finally, it promotes healthy blood flow to the eyes, nourishing vital tissues. The Eye Box harnesses the power of nature. It contains bilberry, rich in anthocyanins, known for their antioxidant and vision-enhancing properties. Turmeric provides potent anti-inflammatory benefits, supporting overall eye health. Ginkgo biloba promotes healthy blood flow to the eyes. And finally, vitamins A, C, and E are crucial for maintaining optimal eye function and protecting against damage. Why choose the natural approach of the Eye Box? Our bodies are designed to utilize nutrients from whole foods and herbs more effectively than synthetic compounds. The Eye Box provides a synergistic blend of ingredients that work together to deliver comprehensive support, minimizing the risk of side effects often associated with artificial supplements. It's a gentle, effective, and sustainable way to care for your vision. Don't let age or digital strain compromise your vision. Experience the natural power of the Jamaica Health Box Eye Box. Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Invest in your eye health naturally. See the world clearly with Jamaica Health Box.
Introducing Eye Herbal Support from Jamaica Health Box. A natural formula rooted in traditional Jamaican herbalism, carefully crafted to support your vision and promote overall eye health. In a world of synthetic solutions, discover the power of nature's wisdom. Eye Herbal Support offers several key benefits. First, powerful antioxidants combat free radicals, protecting your eyes from damage. Second, it supports macular health, crucial for clear central vision. And third, it helps reduce eye strain and fatigue, especially important in our digital age. What makes Eye Herbal Support so effective? Bilberry, rich in anthocyanins, supports healthy blood vessels in the eyes. Turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, protects against oxidative stress. And other carefully selected herbs synergistically enhance these benefits, creating a powerful natural formula. Why choose Eye Herbal Support? Because it's a natural, holistic approach to vision care. Unlike synthetic options, our formula harnesses the power of nature, working in harmony with your body to support long-term eye health and well-being. It's a choice for natural vitality. Ready to experience the natural power of Eye Herbal Support? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace the Jamaican tradition of herbal wellness and see the world with clarity and vitality.
Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Family Wellness Bundle, your complete natural solution for family health. Rooted in traditional Jamaican herbal remedies, this box offers comprehensive support for overall well-being, naturally. What are the benefits? Firstly, powerful immune support. Secondly, improved digestive health. Thirdly, natural stress reduction. These aren't just claims. They're benefits backed by generations of traditional use and modern scientific understanding. Inside, you'll find potent Jamaican herbs, Guinea henweed, known for its immune-boosting properties, cerasee, a traditional detoxifier, and moringa, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Each ingredient plays a vital role in supporting your family's health. Why choose the Family Health Box? Because you deserve natural, time-tested solutions. Avoid harsh chemicals and embrace the power of Jamaican herbs, sustainably sourced and carefully formulated for your family's well-being. It's health the natural way. Ready to embrace natural wellness for your family? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a health specialist. Give your family the gift of natural Jamaican health.
Discover Fast and Furious Hair Stimulant, a potent formula crafted to stimulate rapid hair growth and revitalize your scalp. Rooted in traditional Jamaican herbal remedies, this unique blend offers a natural pathway to healthier, fuller hair. Fast and Furious works by increasing blood circulation to the scalp, delivering vital nutrients to hair follicles. This nourishment promotes stronger, healthier hair growth. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the scalp, creating an optimal environment for hair to thrive. Reduced inflammation helps combat hair loss. The power of Fast and Furious lies in its key ingredients. Jamaican black castor oil, known for its rich fatty acids, strengthens hair and promotes growth. Rosemary stimulates circulation and enhances shine. Nettle, packed with vitamins and minerals, nourishes the scalp and reduces hair thinning. Why choose Fast and Furious? It's a natural alternative, free from harsh chemicals that can damage your hair and scalp. This gentle yet effective formula nourishes your hair from the root, promoting long-term health and vitality. Embrace the power of nature for lasting results. Ready to unlock your hair's full potential? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to order Fast and Furious Hair Stimulant and begin your journey to healthier, fuller hair. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Experience the Jamaican herbal difference.
Are you seeking a natural approach to uterine health? The Jamaica Health Box Fibroids Box offers a carefully curated selection of traditional Jamaican herbs formulated to support your body's natural ability to manage fibroids and their associated discomfort. The Fibroids Box is designed to provide several key benefits. First, it helps reduce pain and discomfort associated with fibroids. Second, it assists in controlling inflammation within the uterus. Third, it supports hormonal balance, a crucial factor in fibroid management. Finally, it aids in cleansing and detoxifying the uterine environment. The Fibroids Box harnesses the power of traditional Jamaican herbs. Guinea henweed is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Cheney root supports hormonal balance and detoxification. Sarsaparilla aids in blood purification and overall uterine health. Black vervain assists in reducing inflammation and pain. Why choose a natural approach? The Fibroids Box offers a gentle yet effective way to support your body's natural healing processes. Unlike conventional treatments, it focuses on addressing the root causes of fibroids, promoting long-term wellness with minimal side effects. It's a holistic approach, honoring the body's innate wisdom. Ready to take control of your uterine health? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com to learn more and order your Fibroids Box today.
For personalized assistance, call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace the natural power of Jamaican herbs and start your journey to a healthier you.
Introducing Freedom Blood Purifier, a potent blend of Jamaica's finest herbs formulated to deeply cleanse and detoxify your blood. This is your natural pathway to vitality. What are the benefits of a clean bloodstream? Studies show that effective blood purification can lead to increased energy levels, clearer skin, and a stronger immune response. It's about revitalizing from within. Freedom's power lies in its ingredients: sarsaparilla, a renowned detoxifier; burdock root, supporting healthy skin; and Guinea henweed, celebrated for its potent immune-boosting properties. Nature's pharmacy, unlocked. Why choose freedom? Because natural is better. Gentle detoxification, working in harmony with your body. A holistic approach to wellness, harnessing the power of Jamaican tradition. This is about nurturing your body's innate ability to heal. Ready to experience the freedom difference? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Unlock your body's potential with the power of Jamaican herbs. Your journey to vibrant health starts now.
What is Freedom Blood Purifier, and what does it actually do in your body? Let's break it down, ingredient by ingredient. Your blood carries everything that keeps you alive: oxygen to your cells, nutrients to your organs, hormones to your tissues. When your blood is clean, your body performs. When it's not, everything suffers. Freedom Blood Purifier was formulated by Jamaica's finest herbalists to clean your blood from the inside out. Let's start with the foundation. Burdock root, one of the most powerful blood-cleansing herbs in traditional medicine. Burdock contains inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. It stimulates lymphatic drainage, helping your body move waste out of tissues and into the elimination channels. Burdock also supports liver function and contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect against cellular damage. Red clover, a natural source of isoflavones, plant-based compounds that support hormonal balance. Red clover supports cardiovascular health by improving circulation and reducing LDL cholesterol. It has natural blood-thinning properties that support healthy blood flow. It's also been studied for its support in menopause symptoms and bone density. Yellow dock root, a traditional blood tonic used for centuries. Yellow dock stimulates bioproduction in the liver, which helps digest fats and remove waste. It supports iron absorption, making it particularly valuable for those with anemia or low iron levels. Yellow dock also acts as a gentle laxative, supporting regularity and colon health as part of the cleanse process. Sarsaparilla, from the rainforests of Jamaica and Central America. Sarsaparilla binds to endotoxins in the gut, bacterial toxins that would otherwise enter the bloodstream and trigger inflammation. It supports kidney function, helping the body excrete uric acid and metabolic waste. Sarsaparilla has been used historically for skin conditions caused by blood impurity, eczema, psoriasis, acne. Dandelion root, a powerful liver and kidney tonic. Dandelion stimulates bile flow, supporting the liver's ability to process and eliminate toxins. It's a natural diuretic that promotes kidney filtration without depleting electrolytes. Rich in antioxidants, dandelion also reduces oxidative stress and supports healthy blood sugar levels. Echinacea, the immune amplifier. Echinacea increases white blood cell activity, making your immune system more responsive to threats. It has anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties that support your body's natural defense mechanisms. When your blood is being cleansed, Echinacea ensures your immune system is active and ready. Sheep's oil, rich in oxalic acid and anthraquinones, natural compounds that have been studied for their ability to support cellular health. Sheep's oil stimulates lymphatic drainage and supports the body's natural detoxification pathways. It has antioxidant properties and has been used traditionally to support the body during periods of cleansing. Every ingredient in Freedom works together. The liver is supported to process toxins. The kidneys are stimulated to excrete waste. The lymphatic system is activated to drain metabolic debris. The immune system is primed to protect clean blood. This is full-spectrum blood purification, not a shortcut, not a gimmick. Real herbs, real results. Freedom Blood Purifier, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
Discover Jamaica Health Box Garlic Shampoo, a natural solution for a healthy scalp and vibrant hair. Crafted with potent herbal extracts, this shampoo targets fungal issues and stimulates growth, offering a natural path to stronger, healthier hair. Garlic's power isn't just folklore. Science reveals its potent antifungal properties, combating scalp infections that hinder growth. Rich in antioxidants, it protects hair follicles from damage. Plus, garlic boosts circulation, nourishing your scalp for optimal hair health. Our formula features a symphony of natural ingredients. Garlic, the star, fights fungus. Rosemary stimulates growth. Tea tree oil cleanses and soothes. And aloe vera provides essential moisture, leaving your hair soft and manageable. Why choose natural? Unlike harsh chemical shampoos, our garlic shampoo gently cleanses and nourishes. It avoids damaging sulfates and parabens, promoting long-term hair health without compromise. It's a sustainable choice, rooted in Jamaican herbal tradition. Ready to experience the Jamaica Health Box difference? Visit jamaicahealthbox.com or call 1-929-314-0106 to order your garlic shampoo today. Unlock your hair's natural potential with the power of Jamaican herbs. Discover Jamaica Health Box's Guava Leaf Shampoo, a natural solution crafted to nourish your scalp and promote healthy, vibrant hair growth. Infused with the power of Jamaican herbs and oils, this shampoo offers a gentle yet effective way to revitalize your hair. What makes Guava Leaf Shampoo so effective? Science reveals its power. First, guava leaf boasts potent antioxidants that combat free radicals, protecting hair follicles. Second, it's rich in vitamin C, crucial for collagen production, strengthening hair. Third, it stimulates blood flow to the scalp, encouraging healthy hair growth from the root. Our formula combines nature's best. Guava leaf extract strengthens hair and prevents breakage. Jamaican black castor oil moisturizes and promotes growth. Coconut oil adds shine and reduces protein loss. Rosemary oil stimulates the scalp, further boosting circulation and growth. Why choose natural? Unlike harsh chemical shampoos that strip your hair, our guava leaf shampoo gently cleanses and nourishes. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial fragrances, making it ideal for sensitive scalps and promoting long-term hair health. Ready to unlock your hair's full potential? Experience the natural power of Jamaica. Visit jamaicahealthbox.com today to order your guava leaf shampoo. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace the Jamaican secret to healthy, vibrant hair. Start your journey now. Discover the Jamaica Health Box Hair Box, a natural solution for vibrant, healthy hair. This carefully curated bundle uses the power of Jamaican herbs to nourish your hair and scalp, promoting growth and overall hair health. The secret lies in the science. Our blend promotes scalp circulation, delivering vital nutrients to hair follicles. It also reduces inflammation, a common cause of hair loss, and provides essential vitamins and minerals for strong, resilient hair. Inside, you'll find rosemary, known for stimulating circulation, castor oil, a rich emollient for deep moisturization, and stinging nettle, packed with vital nutrients to fortify your hair from root to tip. Why choose natural? Because your hair deserves the best, without harsh chemicals or synthetic additives. The Hair Box offers a holistic approach, nourishing your hair naturally for long-term health and beauty. It is the Jamaican way. Ready to unlock your hair's full potential? Visit jamaicahealthbox.com or call 1-929-314-0106 to order your hair box today. Experience the natural power of Jamaican herbs and embrace healthier, more beautiful hair.
Introducing the Jamaica Health Box High Blood Pressure Bundle, your natural solution for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. This carefully curated selection of traditional Jamaican herbs offers a holistic approach to cardiovascular wellness. This bundle provides 3 key benefits. First, vasodilation, promoting healthy blood flow. Second, powerful antioxidants combat free radicals. And third, natural stress reduction to ease tension, which may contribute to elevated blood pressure. This bundle features Cerasee, known for its blood-purifying properties, guinea hen weed, traditionally used to support cardiovascular health, and Jamaican black castor oil, rich in essential fatty acids that promote healthy circulation. Why choose natural? The Jamaica Health Box offers a gentle, holistic approach. Unlike synthetic medications, these herbs work synergistically with your body, minimizing unwanted side effects and promoting overall well-being. Ready to take control of your health? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your high blood pressure bundle. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Your journey to natural wellness starts now.
Discover Jamaica Health Box's Hormone Balance Tea, a natural blend crafted to gently support your hormonal equilibrium. This isn't just tea, it's a pathway to holistic well-being, rooted in Jamaican herbal traditions. Hormonal balance is crucial for overall health. This tea may help reduce mood swings, improve sleep quality, and alleviate PMS symptoms. Studies suggest these herbs can positively influence hormonal pathways. Our blend features Jamaican sarsaparilla, known for its detoxifying properties, moringa, rich in nutrients and antioxidants, and ginger, which aids in reducing inflammation. These herbs work synergistically to support your body's natural processes. Why choose Hormone Balance Tea? It's a gentle, natural alternative to synthetic options. It supports your body's innate ability to heal and find equilibrium without harsh side effects. Ready to experience the harmony of balanced hormones? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Your journey to natural well-being starts here with Jamaica Health Box.
Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Kidney Box, your natural solution for kidney health and detoxification. This carefully curated bundle of Jamaican herbs is designed to support your body's natural cleansing processes, promoting optimal kidney function and overall well-being. Why is kidney health so vital? Your kidneys are essential filters, removing waste and excess fluids from your blood. They also help regulate blood pressure, produce hormones, and maintain electrolyte balance. Supporting kidney function is crucial for overall health and vitality. The Kidney Box features powerful herbs like Cerasee, known for its detoxifying properties, guinea hen weed, traditionally used to support kidney function, and sarsaparilla, a natural diuretic that helps flush out toxins. These herbs work synergistically to promote optimal kidney health. Why choose the Jamaica Health Box Kidney Box? Our herbs are sourced directly from Jamaica, ensuring the highest quality and potency. We use traditional knowledge combined with scientific research to create a safe and effective product, free from harsh chemicals and artificial additives. It's a natural way to support your body's innate ability to heal and detoxify. Ready to prioritize your kidney health? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your kidney box. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with one of our knowledgeable representatives. Take control of your well-being, naturally, with the Jamaica Health Box Kidney Box.
Introducing Jamaica Health Box Kidney Support, a natural supplement formulated to gently cleanse, detoxify, and support healthy kidney function. Your kidneys work tirelessly. Isn't it time you gave them the support they deserve? This powerful blend offers several key benefits. First, it aids in natural detoxification, helping your kidneys filter waste effectively. Second, it promotes healthy fluid balance, essential for overall well-being. And third,
It supports a healthy urinary tract, reducing discomfort and promoting optimal function. What makes this formula so effective? It starts with powerful Jamaican herbs like guinea hen weed, known for its cleansing properties. Then cerasee, traditionally used to support healthy blood sugar and kidney function. And finally, cheney root, a potent antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from damage. Why choose Jamaica Health Box Kidney Support? Because it's a natural, gentle, and effective way to support your kidney health. Unlike harsh chemicals, our herbal blend works in harmony with your body to promote long-term well-being. It's the Jamaican way, naturally effective. Ready to give your kidneys the support they deserve? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your Jamaica Health Box Kidney Support Supplement. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Your journey to better kidney health starts now.
What's inside King of the Liver, and how does each ingredient support your liver specifically? Let's go through it. Your liver does over 500 things every day. It filters your blood, processes nutrients, metabolizes medication, produces bile, regulates blood sugar. Every toxin you breathe, eat, drink, or absorb passes through your liver first. When the liver is overwhelmed, everything suffers. King of the Liver was formulated to give it the support it deserves. Let's start with the most important ingredient: milk thistle seed, the world's most studied liver herb. Milk thistle contains silymarin, a group of flavonoids that directly protect liver cells from damage. Silymarin works by blocking toxins from entering liver cells and accelerating the regeneration of damaged liver tissue. It reduces liver inflammation, improves bile flow, and supports the liver's ability to detoxify your blood. If you've been under metabolic stress, alcohol, medication, processed food, environmental toxins, milk thistle is your liver's first line of defense. Dandelion root, a traditional liver and kidney tonic. Dandelion stimulates bile production and flow from the liver and gallbladder. Bile is how your liver gets rid of waste. It carries metabolic byproducts into the digestive tract for elimination. More bile flow means more efficient liver detox. Dandelion also has diuretic properties that support kidney filtration, helping your body flush out water-soluble toxins that the liver has processed. Rich in antioxidants, beta-carotene, polyphenols, dandelion reduces oxidative damage to liver cells. Burdock root, a powerful hepatic cleanser. Burdock supports liver function by stimulating the lymphatic system to drain waste away from tissues. It contains inulin, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria and reduces the burden of toxic byproducts that the liver would otherwise have to process. Burdock has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect liver cells from ongoing damage. Yellow dock root specifically targets bile production. Yellow dock is a cholagogue, a substance that promotes bile secretion from the gallbladder. This is critical because bile not only aids in fat digestion, but also carries waste products from the liver into the colon for excretion. Yellow dock also supports iron absorption and has gentle laxative effects that keep the elimination pathway clear. Artichoke leaf, a clinically studied hepatoprotective herb. Artichoke contains cynarin and luteolin, compounds that increase bile secretion and support liver regeneration. Studies show artichoke extract reduces liver enzyme levels in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It also reduces total cholesterol and LDL levels by improving the liver's ability to process fat. Turmeric root, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, directly reduces liver inflammation and prevents lipid peroxidation, the oxidative damage that accelerates fatty liver. Turmeric supports the liver's phase 2 detoxification pathways, the process by which the liver converts fat-soluble toxins into water-soluble compounds that can be excreted. It also reduces fibrosis, the scarring that occurs when liver cells are repeatedly damaged. Schisandra berry, an adaptogenic berry from traditional Chinese medicine. Schisandra is one of the few herbs clinically shown to increase the liver's production of glutathione, the master antioxidant. It supports all 5 phases of liver detoxification and has been used in clinical settings to reduce elevated liver enzymes. Schisandra also has adaptogenic properties, helping the body manage the physical stress of detoxification.
Every ingredient in King of the Liver has a specific function. Milk thistle protects and regenerates. Dandelion and yellow dock drive bile flow and elimination. Burdock cleanses the lymphatic system. Artichoke supports fat metabolism and regeneration. Turmeric reduces inflammation and oxidative damage. Schizandra produces glutathione and completes detoxification. This is precision liver support, not a general supplement, built for the most important organ you've been neglecting. King of the Liver, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
Introducing Lion Ready Multivitamin, a complete daily supplement crafted specifically for men. It's more than just a multivitamin. It's a foundation for your well-being, rooted in Jamaican herbal traditions. Lion Ready offers a trio of powerful benefits. First, experience sustained energy levels throughout your day. Second, fortify your immune system, your body's natural defense. And third, support prostate health, vital for men's well-being. The secret lies in our unique Jamaican herbal blend: sarsaparilla, known for its cleansing properties; moringa, a nutrient-rich superfood; and ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Together, they create a synergistic effect, maximizing your health benefits. Why Lion Ready? Because you deserve a natural, effective solution. We combine the wisdom of Jamaican herbal traditions with essential vitamins and minerals. Lion Ready is a holistic approach to men's health, designed to help you thrive. Ready to take charge of your health? Experience the Lion Ready difference. Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Lion Ready. Unleash your inner strength.
What's actually inside Lion Ready Performance? And why does your body need every single one of these ingredients? Let's break it down. Lion Ready Performance is not a general supplement. It's a precision formula for men, built to boost testosterone naturally, increase nitric oxide, and maximize what your body can do. Let's start with the foundation. Zinc, one of the most important minerals for male performance. Zinc directly supports testosterone production. Low zinc means low testosterone. It's that simple. Zinc also supports immune function, wound healing, and sperm quality. Most men are deficient. Lion Ready puts that right. Now, the power herbs. Tongkat Ali, known as the king of male botanicals. Tongkat Ali reduces cortisol, your stress hormone, and in doing so, frees up testosterone. Studies show it can increase free testosterone, improve mood, and enhance sexual function in men. It works by increasing the release of testosterone from its binding proteins. Less bound testosterone means more active testosterone, more drive, more strength, more clarity. Maca root, from the Peruvian highlands. Maca does not directly increase testosterone. It works differently. It increases luteinizing hormone production, the signal your body sends to produce testosterone. It supports sperm count, sexual desire, and stamina. For men, it increases energy at the cellular level, without stimulants, without crashing. Saw palmetto, your prostate's best friend. Saw palmetto blocks the conversion of testosterone into DHT, the form that causes prostate enlargement. By keeping DHT in check, it protects prostate health and supports hormonal balance. It also supports cardiovascular function and healthy hair retention. L-arginine. This is where performance gets physical. L-arginine is a direct precursor to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide expands your blood vessels. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to your muscles during exercise. It supports improved stamina, faster recovery, and better performance during physical activity. L-arginine also reduces blood pressure and supports fat metabolism. Panax ginseng, an adaptogenic herb used for centuries in traditional medicine. Panax ginseng supports antioxidant function, cognitive clarity, and muscle endurance. It combats inflammation and helps your body adapt to physical and mental stress. It's one of the most studied botanicals for male vitality. Ashwagandha, another powerful adaptogen. Ashwagandha reduces stress hormones, supports testosterone levels, and improves sleep quality. It enhances muscle recovery and reduces cortisol after intense training. Less cortisol, more testosterone. That's the formula. Moringa, dense in nutrition, rich in antioxidants. Moringa provides vitamins A, C, E, and essential amino acids. It supports energy production at the cellular level and fights oxidative damage. It's one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet. Every ingredient in Lion Ready Performance works together. Zinc lays the hormonal foundation. Tongkat Ali and maca amplify testosterone availability. Saw palmetto protects the prostate. L-arginine drives blood flow and performance. Ginseng and ashwagandha adapt and recover. Moringa nourishes and protects. This is a complete men's performance system. Not synthetic hormones, not stimulants. Real botanicals, real results. Lion Ready Performance. Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
What's inside Lioness Ready Multivitamin? And why was each ingredient chosen specifically for women? Let's break it down. Lioness Ready Multivitamin is a complete daily formula, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants built around the specific needs of a woman's body. Let's start with your immune shield. Vitamin A supports vision, skin health, and immune function. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble antioxidant that keeps your epithelial cells, the barrier between you and the outside world, strong and healthy. It supports the production of white blood cells and keeps your mucosal lining intact so pathogens can't get in. Vitamin C, your most active immune vitamin, drives white blood cell production, powers collagen synthesis, and is one of the body's strongest antioxidants. Collagen isn't just about skin, it holds your joints, tendons, and organs together. Vitamin C keeps that framework strong. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes, works with vitamin C to neutralize free radicals and reduce cellular aging, supports heart health, and keeps your skin supple from the inside. Now your structural foundation. Calcium carbonate, the backbone of your bone density. Women begin losing bone mass earlier than men, and the deficit compounds with age. Calcium keeps your skeleton strong, your teeth intact, and your muscles able to contract properly. Vitamin D, the key that unlocks calcium. Without adequate vitamin D, calcium cannot be absorbed from the gut into the bloodstream. Vitamin D also supports immune function, muscle performance, and mood regulation. Most people living indoors are deficient. Magnesium, involved in over 300 metabolic reactions. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, sleep quality, blood pressure, energy production, and nerve transmission. It's essential for reducing cramps, managing PMS symptoms, and supporting cardiovascular health. Now your energy system. B vitamins, your metabolic engine. B1 converts food into fuel. B2 activates every other B vitamin. B3 supports heart health and DNA repair. B6 regulates neurotransmitters, serotonin, dopamine, GABA, supporting mood and brain chemistry. B12 is critical for red blood cell production, nerve health, and sustained energy. Without adequate B12, fatigue and brain fog become chronic. Iron. Women lose iron every month. Iron deficiency is the most common nutritional deficiency in the world. It's essential for hemoglobin production, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Low iron means low oxygen delivery. Low oxygen means fatigue, weakness, and poor concentration. Folate. Critical for DNA synthesis and cell division. Folate supports red blood cell formation and is essential during pregnancy for neural tube development. For all women, folate supports cardiovascular health and reduces homocysteine levels. Now for radiance and balance. Zinc supports immune function, hormone balance, and healthy skin. Zinc regulates the activity of over 300 enzymes and plays a key role in wound healing and thyroid function. Clear skin often comes down to adequate zinc. Biotin, the beauty mineral. Biotin supports healthy hair growth, strong nails, and skin clarity, but it also serves as a coenzyme in fat and carbohydrate metabolism, supporting energy production at the cellular level. Every ingredient in Lioness Ready Multivitamin was chosen with intention. Immune protection, structural strength, energy metabolism, hormonal balance, radiance. This is not a one-size-fits-all vitamin. This is women's nutrition done right. Lioness Ready Multivitamin, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
What's inside Lioness Ready Performance? And why does a woman's body need each of these ingredients specifically? Let's go through it. Lioness Ready Performance is built for women who train, work, and push. It's a complete performance system, vitamins, minerals, and botanicals all working together. Let's start with energy and metabolism. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Your body's entry point for energy production. B1 converts carbohydrates into usable fuel through aerobic metabolism. Without it, your cells can't power themselves efficiently. It also supports healthy nerve conduction and cardiovascular function. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, works as a cofactor in both glucose and fat metabolism. B2 activates the other B vitamins so they can do their jobs. It drives red blood cell production, which is critical for oxygen delivery to your muscles during staining. Vitamin B3, niacin, a master metabolic vitamin. B3 supports cardiovascular health by reducing LDL cholesterol, increasing HDL, and lowering triglycerides. It also regulates gene expression, supports DNA repair, and reduces inflammation.
When you're training hard, inflammation is the enemy. Niacin fights it at the cellular level. Now, vision and immune health. Vitamin A, beta-carotene, keeps your vision sharp and your skin resilient. It's a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammatory cytokines and increases glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. Vitamin A also increases immune cell activity, keeping your defenses strong. Vitamin C, your body's frontline shield, boosts immune function, drives collagen production, and protects cells from oxidative damage. For women who train, collagen is critical. It keeps your joints, tendons, and skin structurally sound. Vitamin E works alongside vitamin C to neutralize free radicals, protects your heart, and supports overall cell membrane health. When you exercise intensely, oxidative stress spikes. Vitamin E is there to manage it. Now the structural minerals. Calcium, essential for bone density, muscle contraction, and nerve signaling. Women begin losing bone density in their 30s. Calcium is non-negotiable. Magnesium supports over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body: muscle recovery, sleep quality, nerve function, blood pressure regulation. Most women are deficient. Magnesium is the silent performance enhancer. Vitamin D unlocks calcium absorption and supports immune function. Low vitamin D leads to fatigue, low mood, weakened bones, and poor immune response. It also plays a role in muscle function. Vitamin D receptors are found in muscle tissue. Zinc supports immune health, wound healing, and healthy skin. For women, zinc also supports hormonal balance and thyroid function. Biotin, the beauty and metabolism vitamin. Biotin supports healthy hair, skin, and nails, but it also plays a critical role in fat and carbohydrate metabolism. If your hair is thinning or your nails are brittle, low biotin may be the reason. Every ingredient in Lioness Ready Performance has a specific job. B vitamins power your metabolism, vitamins A, C, and E protect you from oxidative damage, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D build and protect your structure, zinc and biotin support immunity, hormones, and radiance. This is a complete women's performance system. Real vitamins, real botanicals, real results. Lioness Ready Performance, Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
Are you seeking natural support for managing lupus? The Jamaica Health Box Lupus Box offers a curated selection of Jamaican herbs designed to promote autoimmune balance and reduce inflammation, a natural complement to your existing healthcare. The Lupus Box offers several key benefits. First, it helps modulate the immune system, promoting balance and reducing the likelihood of autoimmune flares. Second, it contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds to ease joint pain and other symptoms. And third, it provides antioxidant protection, combating oxidative stress often associated with lupus. The Lupus Box features potent Jamaican herbs. Guinea henweed boasts immune-boosting properties. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Ginger aids circulation and reduces pain. Sarsaparilla cleanses the blood and supports overall well-being. Why choose a natural approach? The Jamaica Health Box Lupus Box offers a holistic way to manage symptoms and support your body's natural healing processes, potentially with fewer side effects than conventional medications. It's about empowering yourself with nature's remedies. Ready to take control of your health with the power of Jamaican herbs? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to learn more and order your Lupus Box. Embrace the natural path to wellness.
Introducing Jamaica Health Box's Magnesium Gel, your natural solution for soothing muscle relief. This expertly crafted gel delivers magnesium directly through your skin, bypassing the digestive system for faster, more effective absorption. Experience the power of nature, harnessed for your well-being. Magnesium is essential for overall health. Our magnesium gel offers several key benefits. First, it promotes muscle relaxation, easing tension and soreness. Second, it supports improved sleep quality, helping you wake up refreshed. Finally, it reduces muscle cramps, allowing you to stay active and enjoy life to the fullest. These benefits are backed by scientific research, ensuring you receive the best natural support. Our formula includes potent Jamaican herbs and essential oils. Magnesium chloride, derived from the Caribbean Sea, is the star, providing readily absorbable magnesium. Arnica extract reduces inflammation. Peppermint oil offers a cooling sensation and soothes muscles. Ginger promotes circulation, aiding in recovery. Together, these ingredients work synergistically for optimal relief. Why choose Jamaica Health Box?
Our magnesium gel offers a natural alternative, free from harsh chemicals and artificial additions. We source premium ingredients directly from Jamaica, ensuring quality and authenticity. Transdermal absorption delivers magnesium directly to your muscles, bypassing the digestive system for faster, more effective relief. Choose nature. Choose Jamaica Health Box. Ready to experience natural relief? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and purchase your magnesium gel. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with our friendly team. Reclaim your well-being with the power of Jamaican herbs. Jamaica Health Box, naturally better.
Discover the power of nature with Jamaica Health Box Moringa Capsules. A simple, natural way to enhance your well-being. Packed with nutrients, these capsules are designed to support your overall health and vitality. Moringa oleaera, the miracle tree, boasts remarkable benefits. Firstly, it's a powerful antioxidant, fighting free radicals and protecting your cells. Secondly, studies suggest it can help regulate blood sugar levels. And thirdly, moringa possesses anti-inflammatory properties, potentially easing discomfort and promoting overall wellness. Our moringa capsules contain pure moringa oleaera leaf powder. This incredible ingredient is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E, plus essential minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients work synergistically to nourish your body from the inside out, supporting immune function and overall vitality. Why choose Jamaica Health Box Moringa? Because we believe in the power of nature, harnessed responsibly. Our moringa is sustainably sourced from Jamaica, ensuring the highest quality and potency. We offer a natural alternative to support your health journey, free from artificial additives and unnecessary fillers. Embrace the Jamaican tradition of herbal wellness. Ready to experience the natural benefits of moringa? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your supply of moringa capsules, or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Take control of your health naturally with Jamaica Health Box.
Pregnancy and new motherhood, a journey of incredible joy, but also one demanding immense strength and resilience. Jamaica Health Box offers natural support through our Mothers-to-Be kit and After the Baby collection. These carefully curated kits provide holistic wellness, drawing on Jamaica's rich herbal traditions to nourish you and your baby. What are the benefits? Firstly, reduced morning sickness and nausea during pregnancy. Secondly, improved lactation and milk supply postpartum. And thirdly, enhanced immune function for both mother and baby, providing vital protection. These kits offer gentle, effective support for a healthier pregnancy and postpartum experience. What's inside? Ginger, a powerful anti-nausea remedy. Moringa, rich in vital nutrients for both mother and baby. Fenugreek, to naturally boost milk production. Cerasee, for gentle cleansing. And guinea henweed, a potent immune booster. These time-tested herbs work synergistically to support your well-being. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? Because you deserve natural, gentle care. Avoid harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients. Embrace the power of Jamaican herbs, carefully selected and traditionally used for generations. Nurture yourself and your baby with the Earth's bounty. Ready to embrace natural wellness for your pregnancy and postpartum journey? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to explore the Mothers-to-Be kit and After the Baby collection, or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Invest in your health naturally.
What's inside mucus gone, and how do these herbs actually clear your respiratory system? Let's break it down. Mucus is not the enemy. Your body produces mucus to protect your airways, trap pathogens, and keep your respiratory lining moist. But when mucus production becomes excessive from allergies, infections, diet, or inflammation, it becomes the problem. It clogs your sinuses, it congests your lungs, it breeds bacteria.
Mucus Gone combines two of the most powerful respiratory herbs on earth to address the root cause. Let's start with the first herb, comfrey. Comfrey has been used for over 2,000 years in traditional medicine for its remarkable healing properties. The active compound in comfrey is allantoin, a substance that promotes cell proliferation and tissue regeneration. Allantoin accelerates the repair of damaged mucous membranes in your airways and lungs. When your respiratory lining is irritated and inflamed, comfrey helps rebuild it. Comfrey also contains rosmarinic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that reduces swelling in the airways. Less swelling means better airflow. Better airflow means less congestion. Comfrey has expectorant properties. It helps loosen and thin mucus so it can be expelled from the lungs and airways naturally. It also has demulcin properties. It soothes and coats inflamed tissue, reducing irritation and the cough reflex. Now the second herb, fenugreek. Fenugreek is one of the most studied herbs for mucus management. It contains mucilage, a soluble fiber that when it contacts the mucous membranes, draws water into the mucus and thins it. Thinner mucus is easier for your body to move and expel. Fenugreek is a natural expectorant and mucolytic. It breaks down and loosens mucus from the bronchioles, sinuses, and nasal passages. Fenugreek also has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling in the airways. It supports lymphatic drainage, helping your body move debris and cellular waste away from the respiratory tract. It also supports digestive health, and this matters because a congested gut produces more systemic inflammation, which contributes to mucus overproduction. How they work together. Comfrey repairs and soothes the respiratory lining. Fenugreek thins and loosens the mucus itself. Together, they address the full cycle, reducing the inflammation that causes overproduction, breaking down existing mucus, and helping the body expel it cleanly. This formula covers the full respiratory system, your sinuses, your bronchioles, your lungs, your throat, top to bottom, front to back. What happens when you take Mucus Gone consistently? Your airways open, your breathing deepens, chronic congestion that you've lived with for years starts to clear. Your body begins expelling what it's been holding. You breathe like you're supposed to. Mucus Gone. 2 herbs, 1 purpose. Clear your airways, breathe fully, live better. Mucus Gone. Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
Introducing the Jamaica Health Box, your all-natural emergency health essential bundle. A carefully curated collection of Jamaica's most potent herbal remedies, designed to provide immediate support for life's unexpected health challenges. Nature's first aid kit, delivered. Harness the power of Jamaican herbs. Scientifically backed, these remedies offer potent benefits. First, immune support, vital for defense. Second, inflammation reduction, easing discomfort. And third, stress relief, promoting calm. Nature's pharmacy, unlocked. What's inside? Guinea hen weed, a potent anti-inflammatory. Ginger, for digestive support and nausea relief. Cerasee, traditionally used for detox. And moringa, a nutritional powerhouse. Each ingredient, a targeted solution. Why choose natural? Avoid harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients. Embrace time-tested herbal wisdom. Support sustainable practices. The Jamaica Health Box offers a gentle, effective, and responsible path to wellness. A return to your roots. Ready to experience the healing power of Jamaica? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Your journey to natural wellness starts now. The Jamaica Health Box, nature's first aid kit.
Are you feeling overwhelmed? Introducing NVS from Jamaica Health Box, a natural blend crafted to calm your nerves and ease the stresses of everyday life. It's your natural path to tranquility. NVS offers scientifically backed benefits. Studies show it can reduce stress hormones, promote restful sleep, and even enhance cognitive function by calming the mind. Find your focus naturally. NVS harnesses the power of Jamaican herbs. Cerasee supports detoxification. Nerve wisp calms anxiety. Guinea hen weed reduces inflammation. and Cheney root provides essential minerals, a holistic approach to well-being. Why choose NVS? It's a natural alternative, free from harsh chemicals and synthetic additives, gentle on your body, powerful in its results. Support your health the natural way. Ready to experience natural calm? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call 1-929-314-0106 to discover the power of NVS. Reclaim your peace naturally. Your journey to well-being starts now.
Discover Never Tide Roots Tonic, a traditional Jamaican blend crafted to revitalize your body and mind. This all-natural tonic is your daily source of sustained energy and overall wellness. Never Tide isn't just tradition, it's backed by science. The tonic enhances energy levels naturally, supports a healthy immune system, and provides powerful antioxidants to combat free radicals. Feel the difference with every dose. This powerful tonic derives its benefits from carefully selected Jamaican herbs. Sarsaparilla cleanses the blood. Cheney root strengthens the body. Medina provides essential minerals. And Strongback boosts vitality and stamina. Together, they create a synergistic effect for optimal health. Why choose Never Tide? It's simple. It's a natural, holistic approach to wellness. Unlike synthetic energy boosters, Never Tide provides sustained energy without the jitters or crashes, nourishing your body with the Earth's natural gifts. Ready to experience the Jamaican difference? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to order your 8-bottle pack of Never Tide Roots Tonic. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Revitalize your life naturally with Never Tide. Discover Never Tide Roots Tonic, a potent elixir born from the heart of Jamaica. Crafted with time-honored traditions, it's designed to naturally boost your energy and stamina, helping you conquer your day. But what makes Never Tide so effective? Research suggests its ingredients promote sustained energy without the jitters, bolster your immune defenses, and enhance overall vitality. Experience the difference nature can make. The secret lies in its blend of powerful Jamaican herbs. Sarsaparilla, known for its cleansing properties. Strongback, traditionally used to support virility. Ironweed, rich in essential minerals. And guinea henweed, celebrated for its immune-boosting qualities. Why choose Never Tide? It's a natural, authentic alternative to artificial energy drinks. Free from harsh chemicals and additives, it offers a holistic approach to well-being, rooted in centuries of Jamaican herbal wisdom. Ready to experience the invigorating power of Never Tide? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call 1-929-314-0106 to order yours today. Embrace the natural energy of Jamaica.
Discover the power of Jamaican tradition with Jamaica Health Box Noni Detoxifier Tonic. This carefully crafted blend supports your immune system and gently detoxifies your body using the natural bounty of the island. Noni is a powerhouse of health. Scientific studies show it's rich in antioxidants, fighting free radicals and protecting cells. It strengthens your immune defenses, helping your body ward off illness. And Noni possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties, soothing aches and pains.
Are you seeking a natural solution for prostate and urinary health? Jamaica Health Box presents palmetto berries, a potent herbal remedy sourced directly from Jamaica, designed to promote a healthy prostate and ease urinary discomfort. Discover the power of nature's support. Palmetto berries offer several scientifically backed benefits. First, they help reduce inflammation in the prostate, easing discomfort. Second, they improve urinary flow, reducing nighttime urgency. Third, They support healthy hormone balance, contributing to overall prostate health and well-being. These benefits are supported by clinical research. The power of palmetto berries lies in its natural composition. It contains fatty acids, phytosterols, and flavonoids. Fatty acids help reduce inflammation. Phytosterols support healthy hormone levels, and flavonoids act as antioxidants, protecting prostate cells from damage. Why choose palmetto berries? Unlike synthetic medications, this natural remedy offers a gentle, holistic approach to prostate health, often with fewer side effects. It's a safe and effective way to support your body's natural functions, promoting long-term well-being. Ready to take control of your prostate and urinary health? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more about palmetto berries and place your order. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Experience the natural power of Jamaican herbs and embrace a healthier future.
Introducing the Jamaica Health Box Prostate Box, a comprehensive natural solution crafted to support a healthy prostate. This unique blend of traditional Jamaican herbs offers a holistic approach to men's wellness. The Prostate Box offers several key benefits. Firstly, it promotes a healthy prostate size and function. Secondly, it supports healthy urinary flow. And thirdly, it's packed with antioxidants to combat cellular damage. These benefits are rooted in traditional knowledge and emerging scientific research. The Prostate Box harnesses the power of nature. It includes saw palmetto, known to support prostate size and urinary function; selenium, a vital mineral for antioxidant defense; lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to prostate health; and African prununum, traditionally used to support healthy urinary flow. Why choose the Jamaica Health Box Prostate Box? Because it offers a natural, holistic approach. It leverages the wisdom of Jamaican herbal traditions, avoiding harsh chemicals and focusing on overall well-being. Take control of your prostate health naturally. Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your prostate box. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Your journey to a healthier you starts now.
Introducing Jamaica Health Box Prostate Supplement Capsules, a natural formulation designed to support a healthy prostate. This targeted formula combines traditional Jamaican herbs with scientifically backed ingredients to promote optimal prostate function and overall well-being. These capsules offer 3 key benefits. First, they help reduce inflammation in the prostate, a common issue as men age. Second, they support healthy urinary flow, reducing nighttime bathroom trips. Third, they promote hormonal balance, contributing to overall prostate health and vitality. Our formula includes saw palmetto, known for supporting healthy urinary function. Pumpkin seed oil, rich in essential fatty acids, aids in reducing inflammation. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, protects prostate cells from damage. And zinc, crucial for maintaining optimal prostate health. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? Because you deserve a natural solution, rooted in tradition and backed by science. Our carefully selected ingredients, sourced from the heart of Jamaica, offer a holistic approach to prostate health, promoting long-term well-being without harsh side effects. Take control of your prostate health today. Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com to learn more and order your prostate supplement capsules. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Jamaica Health Box, naturally supporting your well-being.
Introducing Jamaica Health Box Prostate Tonic, a natural liquid supplement crafted to support prostate health and promote healthy urinary function. Are you seeking a natural way to maintain your well-being? This tonic offers a holistic approach, utilizing the power of Jamaican herbs. Scientifically, Prostate Tonic offers several key benefits. First, it helps manage prostate size, supporting healthy function. Second,
it aids in reducing inflammation, a common concern. Finally, it provides antioxidant protection, combating free radicals and promoting cellular health. These benefits contribute to overall prostate wellness. The power of Prostate Tonic lies in its unique blend of herbs. Saw palmetto supports healthy urinary flow. Pumpkin seed promotes overall prostate health. Nettle root helps reduce inflammation. These ingredients work synergistically to provide comprehensive support. Why choose a natural product? Prostate Tonic offers a gentle, holistic approach to prostate health. Unlike synthetic options, it's formulated to minimize side effects, working in harmony with your body's natural processes. Embrace the power of nature for your well-being. Ready to take control of your prostate health naturally? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com to learn more and order your Prostate Tonic today. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Experience the Jamaican herbal difference. Your health journey starts now.
In Jamaica, the wisdom of generations meets the need for modern calm. Settle Me Nerve, a natural herbal formula crafted to gently ease anxiety and settle your nerves. It's a time-honored approach to finding balance. But does it work? Studies suggest its key ingredients can significantly reduce stress hormones. It may promote restful sleep and support a positive mood. Natural solutions, backed by science. What makes Settle Me Nerve so effective? Cerasee, known for its cleansing properties. Vervain, traditionally used to calm the nerves. Strong back, believed to relieve tension. And Jack in the Bush, a potent anti-inflammatory. Why choose Settle Me Nerve? It's a gentle, natural alternative to harsh medications. A holistic approach rooted in Jamaican tradition. It supports your body's natural ability to find calm without the unwanted side effects. Ready to find your natural calm? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Settle Me Nerve. Settle your nerve. Naturally.
Discover the power of nature with Jamaica Health Box Soursop Leaf Capsules. Harvested from the lush landscapes of Jamaica, these capsules harness the potent immune-boosting properties of graviola, also known as soursop, a natural solution rooted in generations of traditional herbal wisdom. But what makes soursop leaf so remarkable? Scientific research suggests 3 key benefits. First, its powerful antioxidant properties help combat free radicals. Second, it bolsters your immune system, aiding your body's natural defenses. And third, it may offer anti-inflammatory support, promoting overall well-being. The star of our capsules is, of course, the graviola leaf itself, carefully selected and processed to retain its natural potency. Each capsule delivers a concentrated dose of this remarkable herb. It's nature's pharmacy, conveniently packaged. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? We are committed to providing you with the purest, most potent natural remedies. Our soursop leaves are sustainably sourced and rigorously tested for quality. Experience the difference that Jamaican tradition and meticulous care can make. Ready to unlock the power of nature? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your soursop leaf 100 veggie caps. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace natural wellness the Jamaican way.
What is the Jamaica Health Box Starter Box? And why is it the right place to begin your health journey? Let's break it down. Most people want to be healthier, but the supplement industry is overwhelming. Hundreds of products, confusing labels, marketing claims with no basis in science. You don't know where to start, so you don't start at all. The Jamaica Health Box Starter Box solves that problem. It's a curated introduction, a foundation, selected by Jamaica's finest herbalists to give your body what it needs most before anything else. The Starter Box is not about treating one condition, it's about building the foundation that makes everything else work. The philosophy behind it. Every chronic health condition, fatigue, weight gain, skin problems, poor immunity, hormonal imbalances, pain, these don't happen overnight. They build over years, layer by layer. Poor elimination, toxic accumulation, nutritional deficiency, inflammation. The Starter Box addresses all 4 of these root layers simultaneously. Detoxification. Your body's drainage systems, the colon, liver, and kidneys, accumulate years of congestion. The Starter Box begins with gentle but effective detoxification. When elimination pathways are open, every other step in health improvement works better. Nutrients absorb more effectively, energy returns, mental clarity improves. Blood purification. Clean blood is the foundation of health. Your blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. When the blood is burdened with toxins, every system suffers. The Starter Box includes support for blood quality and circulation. Nutritional foundation. Jamaican herbs are among the most nutrient-dense plants on the planet. The volcanic soil of Jamaica produces botanicals rich in minerals, vitamins, and phytonutrients that are difficult to find elsewhere. The Starter Box provides this nutritional base, the vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds your body has likely been deficient in for years. Inflammation reduction. Chronic low-grade inflammation underlies almost every modern disease: heart disease, diabetes, cancer, autoimmune conditions, depression. The herbs in the Starter Box address systemic inflammation, reducing the inflammatory burden that has been accumulating in your tissues. What makes Jamaica Health Box different? These are not synthetic vitamins manufactured in a pharmaceutical lab. These are real plants, grown above the ground, in Jamaican soil, harvested and prepared by people who understand how these plants work together as a system, not isolated compounds trying to mimic nature itself. Your ancestors, wherever they came from, did not have chronic disease at the rates we see today. They ate real food, they used real plants, they kept their bodies clean. The Starter Box is a return to that foundation. Where do you go from here? Once your body is detoxified and nourished, you begin to understand what it actually needs. Some people find their energy restored, others see their skin clear, others lose weight without trying. When your foundation is right, your body begins to heal itself. That's what the Starter Box unlocks. The Jamaica Health Box Starter Box. Begin here, heal from here, build from here. Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
From the heart of Jamaica, we bring you Stinking Toe, a remarkable superfood derived from the Jamaican locust pod. For generations, Jamaicans have harnessed its power. Now you too can experience its benefits. Stinking Toe is designed to boost your health naturally, providing essential nutrients and promoting overall wellness. What makes Stinking Toe so special? Science reveals its potent antioxidant properties, fighting free radicals and protecting your cells. It also bolsters your immune system, helping your body defend against illness. And it promotes healthy digestion, ensuring optimal nutrient absorption. Recent studies show its high nutrient density and potential prebiotic effects. The magic lies in its composition. The primary ingredient, the Jamaican locust pod, is rich in carbohydrates, protein, and essential minerals. It contains vitamin C and B vitamins. These components work synergistically to enhance its overall health benefits. Nothing artificial, just pure natural goodness. Why choose Stinking Toe? It's a natural alternative, free from artificial additives and harsh chemicals. Rooted in Jamaican tradition, it offers a holistic approach to wellness. Unlike synthetic supplements, Stinking Toe provides a complete spectrum of nutrients, working in harmony with your body. Ready to experience the power of Stinking Toe? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Embrace the natural path to a healthier you. Unlock the potential within. Start your journey today.
Discover the power of Jamaica's natural pharmacy with the super-size starter box. This curated collection offers a holistic approach to well-being, harnessing the island's potent herbal traditions. This box offers scientifically backed benefits. First, immune support, strengthening your body's defenses. Second, detoxification, gently cleansing your system. And third, enhanced energy levels, naturally boosting vitality. Inside, you'll find moringa, packed with antioxidants, ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and turmeric, a powerful source of curcumin, supporting overall wellness. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? Because you deserve authentic, natural solutions rooted in time-honored traditions. Experience the difference of genuine Jamaican herbs, sustainably sourced and carefully curated. Ready to unlock the power of Jamaican herbs? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com or call 1-929-314-0106 today. Your journey to natural health and wellness starts now.
What's inside the cleanse, and how does each ingredient work in your body? Let's go through it. The cleanse is a full-body reset. It targets your colon, your liver, your gut lining, and your detox pathways. Every ingredient was chosen for a specific function. Together, they flush, rebuild, and restore. Let's start with your gut. Psyllium husk powder, the most studied dietary fiber for digestive health. Psyllium forms a gel in your gut when it contacts water. That gel slows digestion, regulates blood sugar, and feeds beneficial bacteria. It adds bulk to your stool and softens it, supporting healthy, regular bowel movements without cramping. Studies show psyllium reduces the bacterial genus associated with hard, compacted stools. It's the backbone of any serious gut cleanse. Slippery elm bark powder, a powerful gut soother. Slippery elm contains mucilage, a gel-like compound that coats and protects the gut lining. It reduces inflammation in the digestive tract, soothes irritable bowel, and supports tissue repair. Slippery elm also has antioxidant properties and has been studied for its support in protecting liver cells from damage. Aloe ferrex powder, more potent than the common aloe vera. Aloe ferrex supports digestion by increasing glucose transport in the gut and improving nutrient absorption. It reduces LDL cholesterol, lowers fasting blood glucose, and supports cardiovascular health. It also has natural laxative properties from its anthraquinone content, helping move waste through the colon efficiently. Chlorella powder, one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Chlorella is a single-celled green algae packed with chlorophyll, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Chlorophyll binds to heavy metals and toxins in the gut, helping pull them out before they can be reabsorbed. Chlorella supports liver detoxification, boosts antioxidant activity, and has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. It also provides a natural energy boost without stimulants. Cascara sagrada, a traditional herbal laxative used for centuries. Cascara stimulates the muscles of the colon wall, promoting peristalsis, the wave-like contractions that move waste through the digestive tract. It works gently, without the cramping associated with harsher laxatives. This is the ingredient that gets things moving. Senna leaf, another natural laxative from traditional medicine. Senna contains senosides, compounds that irritate the lining of the bowel just enough to stimulate movement. It's one of the most clinically studied natural laxatives, approved by regulatory bodies worldwide. Used correctly in a cleanse formula, Senna safely accelerates colon emptying. Milk thistle seed, your liver's bodyguard. Milk thistle contains silymarin, a complex of flavonoids that protect liver cells from damage. It promotes regeneration of liver tissue, supports bile flow, and reduces liver inflammation. When your colon is cleansing, toxins get mobilized. Milk thistle ensures your liver can process and eliminate them safely. Ginger root, the anti-inflammatory anchor. Ginger reduces nausea, soothes the digestive tract, and accelerates gastric emptying. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that protect the gut lining during the cleansing process. Ginger also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, improving nutrient absorption. Every ingredient in the cleanse has a role. Psyllium and aloe ferrex add bulk and regulate the gut. Slippery elm coats and heals the lining. Cascara and senna move waste out efficiently. Chlorella binds and removes toxins. Milk thistle protects the liver. Ginger soothes and accelerates. This is a complete system, not a pill, a protocol. The Cleanse. Jamaica Health Box. Come home, come healthy, live long.
In Jamaica, nature offers powerful solutions. Introducing the One Viral Cleanse from Jamaica Health Box, a comprehensive blend designed to support your body's natural defenses against viruses and pathogens. It's a natural path to wellness, rooted in time-honored Jamaican herbal traditions. The One Viral Cleanse offers several scientifically backed benefits. First, it bolsters your immune system. Second, it reduces inflammation throughout the body. Third, it supports healthy respiratory function, helping you breathe easier. Fourth, it aids in detoxification, removing harmful substances. This cleanse harnesses the power of Jamaican herbs: Guinea henweed, known for its antiviral properties; cerasee, traditionally used for detoxification; strongback, to boost immunity and vitality; and ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Together, they create a synergistic effect. Why choose the One Viral Cleanse? Because it's a natural, holistic approach to wellness. It avoids harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients, relying instead on the proven power of Jamaican herbs. Support your body's natural ability to heal and defend itself. Choose Jamaica Health Box. Ready to experience the power of the One Viral Cleanse? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Take control of your health, naturally. Discover the Jamaican secret to a stronger, healthier you. Discover the power of nature with Jamaica Health Box's turkey berry extract. This potent extract, derived from the revered turkey berry, is your natural ally in maintaining healthy blood sugar and bolstering your immune defenses. Science reveals turkey berry's remarkable benefits. It helps regulate blood sugar levels thanks to compounds that mimic insulin's action. Rich in antioxidants, it combats cell damage, and it strengthens your immune system, empowering your body's natural defenses. The magic lies in turkey berry's unique composition. Alkaloids contribute to its anti-diabetic properties. Flavonoids act as potent antioxidants, fighting free radicals. And saponins support a healthy immune response, a powerful combination for your well-being. Why choose turkey berry extract from Jamaica Health Box? Because you deserve a natural, time-tested solution. Our extract is carefully sourced and processed to retain its full potency, offering you a pure and effective path to wellness, a choice for a healthier you. Ready to experience the benefits of turkey berry extract? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and place your order, or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Take control of your health naturally with Jamaica Health Box. What's inside Yaga Roots Tonic, and what does each root actually do in your body? Let's go through it, ingredient by ingredient. Yaga Roots Tonic is not manufactured in a lab. It's brewed from roots, barks, and herbs harvested deep in the woodlands of Jamaica during the appropriate moon cycle, brewed in natural spring water collected from a rock in the foothills of the Blue Mountains. 8 ingredients, 8 specific jobs in your body. Let's start. Sarsaparilla root, one of the most powerful blood-purifying roots in traditional herbal medicine. Sarsaparilla contains saponins, compounds that bind to endotoxins in the bloodstream and help eliminate them through the kidneys and bowel. It's been used for centuries to treat skin conditions caused by blood impurity, eczema, psoriasis, acne. Sarsaparilla also binds to uric acid, reducing the systemic inflammation that causes gout and joint pain. It contains iron, manganese, and zinc, critical minerals for blood health and immune function. And it acts as a natural adaptogen, supporting the body's stress response and hormonal balance. Cheney root, a Jamaican root used for generations as a tonic for men and women. Cheney root contains flavonoids and alkaloids that support testosterone production and libido in men.
It also contains compounds that support the liver's detoxification pathways, helping the body process and eliminate hormones, medications, and environmental toxins. Cheney root is rich in iron, directly supporting hemoglobin production and red blood cell health. For women, it's been used to support hormonal balance and reduce menstrual discomfort. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce systemic inflammation throughout the body. Blue vervain root, a nervous system tonic. Blue vervain contains iridoid glycosides that directly calm the central nervous system. It reduces anxiety, tension, and stress without sedating. It promotes calm mental clarity. Blue vervain also supports liver function, stimulating bile production and improving fat digestion. It has mild diuretic properties that support kidney filtration and reduce fluid retention. Traditionally, it's been used to break fevers and support the immune response during illness. It regulates stress hormones, reducing the cortisol that, over time, degrades every system in your body. Strongback, named for what it does. Strongback root is one of Jamaica's most beloved vitality tonics, used for centuries to restore energy, endurance, and sexual performance. It contains compounds that increase blood flow to the muscles and reproductive organs. Strongback supports testosterone levels and reduces physical fatigue. It has anti-inflammatory properties that support joint and muscle recovery. Traditionally used by farmers and laborers to maintain strength through long days of physical work, it is the energy root of this formula. Ironweed, rich in bioavailable iron and trace minerals. Ironweed supports red blood cell production, directly combating iron deficiency anemia. It contains antioxidants that protect red blood cells from oxidative damage. Ironweed supports lymphatic drainage, helping the body move waste out of tissues and into elimination channels. It has mild antimicrobial properties, reducing the load of pathogens in the gut and bloodstream. For anyone dealing with fatigue, weakness, or poor circulation, ironweed addresses the root cause.
Stinking toe bark. From the Hymenaea courbaril tree, native to Jamaica and the Caribbean. Do not let the name mislead you. This is a potent medicinal bark. Stinking toe is dense in calcium, iron, and protein. It's one of the most nutritionally complete barks in the Caribbean. It supports bone density, muscle function, and nerve transmission. It has powerful antifungal and antimicrobial properties, combating candida and other pathogens in the gut. It also contains compounds that support blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity. Stinking toe bark eliminates the mineral deficiencies that modern diets leave behind. Ramoon bark. Also known as ramoon or bitter ash, one of Jamaica's most potent medicinal barks. Ramoon is intensely bitter, and bitterness in herbal medicine means liver stimulation. It drives bile production, accelerating fat digestion and toxin elimination from the liver. Ramoon has strong anti-parasitic properties. It has been used for centuries to clear intestinal parasites that drain energy and nutrients. It contains quasinoids, compounds with documented anti-malarial, anti-tumor, and antimicrobial activity. Ramoon cleans the gut environment, reduces pathogen load, and restores the conditions for proper nutrient absorption. Bitterwood. Another intensely bitter bark, also known as bitter bush. Bitterwood stimulates the digestive system from top to bottom, increasing digestive enzyme production, improving stomach acid, and accelerating gut motility. It supports blood sugar regulation by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing glucose absorption. Bitterwood has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce chronic gut inflammation, one of the root causes of systemic disease. It also has documented activity against bacteria and parasites, supporting a clean and functional gut microbiome. These 8 roots work together as a complete system. Sarsaparilla and Cheney root clean the blood. Blue vervain regulates the nervous system and stress response. Strongback and ironweed restore energy, circulation, and vitality. Stinking toe bark eliminates mineral deficiencies and fungal overgrowth. Ramoon and bitterwood cleanse the liver, gut, and eliminate parasites. Brewed in Blue Mountain spring water. Harvested in harmony with the moon. This is plant medicine the way it was meant to be made. Yaga Roots Tonic. 16 fluid ounces of Jamaica's finest roots. Come home, come healthy, live long.